Well,
No, no. Okay. Let me try to give another example. Okay, but don't try to do it quickly because it would be wrong. Just to give your time to, give yourself time to think about it, because the highest common factor, as I told you, if you try to do it quickly, you would get it wrong. So what if you have 4x bar 2y plus 12xy? This one, it seems like we are trying to get the highest common factor between the first term and the second term. But before doing that, let me try to make it simple. So here we have 4x bar 2. So let me try to keep the coefficient. I don't need to make it simple much more than this one. What about x bar 2? It's supposed to be x multiplied by x multiplied by y. I haven't done it anything yet. I haven't changed anything. I tried to break it down into two parts. So x bar 2 is supposed to be x multiplied by x. I've tried to keep y because it's already simple. I couldn't even make it simple much more than this one. What about 12? It's supposed to be 3 multiplied by 4xy. So all of a sudden we have right now we have highest common factor. Could you tell me what is the highest common factor between the first term and second term together?
4.
Yeah, what else? Perfect. What else?
3. No, x and
Yeah,
y.
exactly. X and Y. Yeah, perfect. I'm trying to highlight it right now because I want you to have the ability to notice that we have 4 x, y. Let me try. It's been canceled. We have no longer x, y from the first term. I'm talking about the first term because this one could be classified as binomial because we have, two terms together, right? And right now, let me try to cancel all these stuff together. So we have right over there. What about the rest of them? It's going to be x, right? I'm trying to write the remainder.
Remember, which
Yeah.
is 3. X plus
Yeah,
3.
perfect. So I've done it. Yeah, that sounds great. Wow. Wow. Like you have told me that you would be the first student that you would do it right. Thank
Yeah.
you. So here we have 4x power 2y plus 20x power 3y power 2. So let me try to break it down. So this one, I'm going to keep it as 4. What about x power 2? It's supposed to be x.
X multiply x multiply x.
No, just we have double x.
2x.
Right?
Yeah, 2x.
What about 20? It's supposed to be 4 times.
Multiply 5. And
yeah,
then
exactly.
multiply x. 3x. And then multiply 2y.
Yeah, perfect. Y and Y. So let me try to highlight the common factor between the first term and second term together. So all of a sudden we have 4. I think this one seemed like common, right?
Yeah.
I attempted to highlight it, right? What about the next one? We have double x.
2x and 2x and 1y.
Yeah, exactly. This is called the highest common factor. So it's going to be 4x power 2y, right?
And then 5, you put 5.
And all of a sudden, I figured out that the first term is being canceled.
Yeah.
So what should I do in this case? It seems like we are trying to divide 4x power 2y divided by 4x power 2y. So it makes sense that we have 1
plus 5y 5
y power 2. Did you get it?
Why is it y power 2?
Because we try to multiply. No, you're right.
Mm-hmm.
You're right. Just y, not y power 2.
Well, yeah,
right.
because cancel here.
Yeah. I missed to highlight it. Yeah, you're right. Perfect. So let me try to use this one. So here we have this one. Let me try to do it right over there. So we have x power 2 plus 4x. So actually, let me try to factorize x power 2, which is going to be x multiplied by x. And here we have 4x. So let me try to highlight the comment. What is the comment?
The comment, wait. First, so x and x. It's only x and x.
Yeah, exactly. So let me try to cancel.
X plus 4, and then x plus 4.
Yeah, perfect. That sounds great. Yeah, let me try to, to do the second example. Here we have 6x power 2 plus 2x. So let me try to do it. So here we have 6x power 2 plus 2x. So let me try to get the factors of every single term that we got right over there. So actually, 6, it seems like composite. So I need to get factor, which is going to be 3 multiplied by 2. And I think you have noticed that I haven't used the symbol of multiplication, because it's similar to x, and you might be confusing that we have x and multiplying sign. So I've used dot instead of using that one. Have you noticed this one?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, okay. And here we have, I want to get the factors of x power 2, so it's supposed to be x and x, right? What about the next part? It's going to be 2x. Let me try to highlight. Could you tell me, Malak?
So it's gonna be 2 and 2 and x
Yeah,
and x.
perfect.
And then it's
Am I pronouncing it correctly?
Yeah. And then yeah. And then we'll put the 3x plus 1.
Yeah, perfect. So it sounds great. So it's going to be, we have written 2x, and this is, let me try to call it as the highest common factor. And sometimes we say that it's going to be the greatest common factor. I really don't care about the names. So anyway, you have done it very well. Thank you. You promised me and you kept it.
Yes. I'm a good student, you know?
But, don't forget.
I won't.
I'm talking about you'd be my teacher.
Oh, no, I won't forget that one.
Every section you have to, to teach me a new word in Portuguese. Okay?
All right.
Okay. Okay, so let me try to do this one. We have 14 a power 3 b minus 6 a power 2 b power 2. So let me try to work out this one. I want to get the factors of 14. So it's supposed to be 2 multiplied by 7, right?
Yeah.
What about a power 3? Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
You're waiting for me. Okay. So 2 multiply 7 give us 14, and then a, and then a, and then again a, plus
Yeah,
add,
exactly.
and then 2 multiply 3 give us 6, and then 2a, and then 2b.
Yeah, perfect. Let me try to highlight it.
2 and 2, and 2a and 2a, and 1b.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
So let me try to, to pick up the highest common factor, which is going to be 2 a power 2
b to the power 2. No, b only.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
Then bracket
So
we put 7a minus 2b.
You mean 3b?
3b. Okay, 3b.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Anyway, it's not a big deal. You have done, both of them are right, just one. So let me try to go over this question. It seems like we have x power 2 plus 3x. So let me try to factorize x power 2, which is going to be x and x. And here we have 3x. Right?
Yeah.
So let me try to highlight it. So the highest common factor is going to be x, right?
Yeah. So x plus, oh yeah. So x plus 3. That's
Yeah.
away.
Perfect. Let me try to tell you a little bit secret, but don't tell anybody about it.
Okay.
Whatever we have binomial, it seems like we have two terms, and actually I've noted that both of them, I mean, it seems like even numbers. So I mean, it seems like a little, I mean, so 2 is the highest common factor. I mean, it seems like less than 10, so 2 is the highest common factor.
Okay.
Right? So let me try to, I mean, to get the factors of x power 2, which is going to be x multiplied by x, right? What about 4? It's going to be 2 multiplied by 2.
All right.
Let me try to highlight it.
Then 2 multiply 2. So 2 and 2, and then x and x1. So it's only one x. And then we'll put the bracket x plus 2.
Yeah, that sounds great. It's being canceled. We have no longer 2x anymore. Just to try to bring down x. And this one seems like 2. Let me try to go over the third one. Yeah, we have done it in order. But anyway, it's not a big deal. So let me try to do it right over there. So we have 9p power 2q plus 6pq. So this one, it seems like 3 multiplied by 3, right?
And then p, 2p, and then 1q, then plus 2 multiply 3, and then p and then q.
Yeah, exactly. Let me try to highlight it.
3 and 2, 3 and 3, p and q.
That sounds right.
No, not much. Not much. So we'll put the 3 plus 2. Right.
Yeah, I picked up the highest common factor. It's supposed to be 3pq, and it's being canceled. So it's going to be 3p plus...
Oh, 3p plus 2.
2. We have only 2. I tried to bring it down. So is that clear for you?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you just give me a
I'm
minute?
hearing. Yeah, okay. I'm waiting for you.
ليش سألت إنه بسأل الحصة؟ ولا بتعشر أنا مش شبعانة ما بتعشر. 9 المس راح يدخل معاكي بعد نص ساعة 30 minutes 30 minutes. ليش؟ اوكي شلون ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. اوكي تمام حلها بعدين خليها عندي كلاس اليوم. اوكي I'm here.
Yeah, okay, let me continue. Here we have x power 2 minus 4x.
2 multiply 2. Yeah?
No, I don't need to do it because the coefficient right over there is going to be 1. I can't even see the coefficient. I'm talking about the first term. Whenever we don't have, I can't even see the coefficients. Mean that the coefficient is 1. But you don't need to get the factors 4. So just keep it. And all of a sudden we have just x. So let me try to, it's being cancelled. And this one is going to be
minus 4.
Yeah, exactly. Let me try to do this one. We have 3x power 2. Let me try to get the factor of x power 2. It's supposed to be x and x. What about 18? It's going to be 3 multiplied by?
6.
Yeah, perfect. What about x? Right now, let me try to highlight it.
There's no y? Oh, yeah. Okay, we're in question 6. So the answer will be 3x to the power 2. And then in the bracket will be x minus 6.
X minus 6. Yeah, perfect. And all of a sudden, we have right over there, I mean, trinomial. This one scares you? No, you have to apply the same rules. I have told you about it from just a little bit of time. So actually, we have, I think I don't need to get the factor because it's pretty clear that we have A as a common, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm going to pick up A, and then let me try to cancel it. So it's going to be P plus Q minus r. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's my
Yeah.
calculator.
So let me try to go over this one.
Which one? The x and y? Okay, x
No, I'm
and
talking about 3.
3.
We have,
So it's gonna be 5a plus
yeah.
minus 5 multiply 5? No, 5
No,
multiply
you mean, yeah.
2,
So
and then b.
the coefficient right over there, we have no variable in common, so we have just the coefficient. Seems like highest common. So let me try to pick up 5. It's
And
been
then
cancelled.
a minus 2b.
Yeah, a minus 2b. Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
Let me try to go over, the fourth question.
4.
X1, yeah, x1 minus xz.
So it's gonna be x to the power 2 minus y minus z. X to the power 2.
No, just wait. This one is being cancelled.
So it's gonna be y minus z.
Yeah, y minus z.
Oh yeah, it's only one x. Okay.
Yeah. So let me try to go over this one.
Question 7. Okay.
It's gonna be a multiply x minus a